Hello, welcome to the Nick Polisi channel. We're here to teach you about the switcher, specifically the Grass Valley Carrera, and how to organize your switcher in this episode. Alright, first we're going to show how to change your multi-viewer. You go to User Setups, Suite Preferences, and then you have your Multi-View Preferences menu. Here you have fixed sources and logical sources. The difference between those is your logical sources is what's being routed through the board and can change based on what you name the program and all throughout those. And then fixed sources are what's in the board. That's what your MEs are, where your program is, and where your other multi-views can be put into a different multi-view. Here's how you select which multi-view you're viewing and how you can change the layout of your multi-viewer. We can go to our first multi-viewer, change ME1 to multi-viewer 2. Next, we're going to go over how to change your button mapping. We'll go to panel preferences, and then the button mapping. It's 1 through 5, 5 through 10, 10, 15, and so on and so forth based on that number. So first we're going to change 6. Right now it says none because nothing is designated to it. Here we're going to put in playback 2. Next, we'll go showing you how to load a show. This was a show that we did for our live event class. It was field hockey. We're going to load that show. Show file, we have transitions and wipes that are built into using the emems, which allow us to move our image store or playback or whatever source we want as a key to go over the screen and then do the transition in the background at the exact same time, all with one button press. And just ways to optimize your show flow, and it's a way that you can save your show if you need to go onto a different switcher for whatever purpose. The name on your sources, you go to User Setups, Suite Preferences, and Source Patch. We currently have Camera 1 in Logical ID 1, but we can easily change that name. We have it set to 1 right now. Let's change it to say Cam 1 on our bus, or Cam Dash. And now it will appear on our bus. Then to change the colors of your show, you go to Panel Preferences, go to Source Colors, and here you have all of your options to invert your OLED and change your source color. Right now I have Cam 1 to red. We can choose light red, light blue, or even go into more minute detail with using these dials here and changing colors more specifically what we want. For now, we like red because it allows all of our cameras to be organized by one color, so you can see visually on your board just by looking at it what you have and where. You want any show that you do to have proper organization so that way you can get a quick view at what you're looking at and make quick changes. All of our cameras are in red so that way anyone who's looking at it can see where things are grouped as and be able to translate easily. B2 were some of those sources we used. We had another multi-viewer, a drone camera. Our graphics are purple, and so that way no matter what, you can look at the color and see what there is. There's many pros about organizing your switcher ahead of time before a show. One is familiarizing yourself with the switcher and improving your skills and familiarity with the switcher itself, making it so it's an organized show so you know where everything is no matter what, and that improves your understanding of what you need to do when you are in a live environment. It's helped me personally because it's allowed me to understand the switcher significantly more than I had before, and it allowed me to organize a show a way that works best for my brain and for the director that is directing me in our program. It allows it to be customizable to whatever needs you need for your show. Thank you for watching the Grass Valley mini-series on the Nick Polisi channel. Be sure to share this video with everyone that you want to show more about the switcher. Give us a like, give us a comment if you learned anything, and give us any advice that you know. The only way we know we can learn and expand our knowledge is by sharing information with each other, and that is the beauty of this industry. We learn from each other and we grow together.